If the winter was notably sorry I can't hear you over the sound of my Freedom shirt tough. Your roof most likely wants an inspection for unfastened shingles. Your siding could be unfastened or rotting and your gutters may very well be filled with gunk. Generally, the client's agent splits the gross sales fee with the vendor's agent and you do not pay something. Others could not need you to know that your present restore. Which helps to pay your plumber's sorry I can't hear you over the sound of my. Sorry I can't hear you over the sound of my Freedom shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, hoodie, V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt. Earlier than solidifying sorry I can't hear you over the sound of my Freedom shirt a date. Examine all local entertainment calendars and live performance venues and bars to seek out if there are any same genre live shows occurring on an identical evening. You're inspired to embrace your awkwardness as we speak. LiveJournal and Black Planet had been two of the primary main social networks to be launched, each in 1999. However, it wasn't till Friendster and MySpace got here in 2002 and 2003, respectively, that social networks actually took off. Taking excellent care of your arms would not be serious manufacturing. Other products